How to Paint a Streetscape in Watercolor by Ilya Ibryaev. Here is the impressionistic streetscape artwork that I will create in this lesson. It is of a street in a small Mediterranean town in Spain. Here is how the finished artwork looks. It depicts the street in sunset light and tells the story of people sitting in a cafe after the working day. I begin this artwork in rough pencil sketch. Painting on location always has its challenges, especially in that I must work fast before the sun goes down. I am preparing a light mix using cadmium orange, yellow ochre light, and cadmium yellow to paint the evening light with. I swiftly apply this color onto the paper using a round mop brush. I then rotate the board upside down to allow this wash to flow downwards. Doing this helps to preserve the white paper below the sky and also intermixes the wash. I then add ultramarine and cobalt turquoise light to this mix to produce a light effect. It is important to keep the tone for the sky very light.